Welcome for this weekly review of Goa 365. With us are our reporters from all over the state. Welcome, guys. Hiru, I would like to start with you because as yet Vasco is still in the center of the storm. Hiru, सांग किती चालला वास्को?
सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार वास्को हे जे एक सेंटर पॉइंट जाल्लो आसा कोरोनाचो असं म्हटलं जाता गोंयांत. कित्याक की वास्कोसून जो कोरोनाची जे सुरवात जाल्ली ती आयज अख्ख्या देशान पावल्या. पूण हांगा जर पळोवपाक गेल्यार एक जे कंटेनमेंट झोन्स आसात हे खंय तरी 4 ते 5 कंटेनमेंट झोन मुरमुगांव तालुक्यान आसात आणि फाटले 2 ते 2.5 महिने जाले लोक कंटेनमेंट झोन हा लोकांचे अक्षरशः हाल जाल्ले आहा. फूड डॉक्टर्स एसेन्शियल कम्युनिटी सगळे. पूण आतां खंय तरी लोकांचे 500 पिड्ड्यार जाल्ले अशें दिसून येता आणि मांगूर कंटेनमेंट झोनांसून सैफुल्ला खान 4 दीस पयलींच खंय तरी ते हंगर स्ट्रायकाक बसलेले तेन्ना तांकां एश्युरन्स मेळ्ळें की एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनासून की तांकां खंय तरी ते कंटेनमेंटासून काडटले म्हणून. पूण आयज सॅटर्डे जालो पूण अजून मेरेन तांकां काडूंक ना. आतां तेंच्यांनी फुडें एक डिमांड केला की जर मंडे मेरेन जर ते कंटेनमेंटासून तांकां काडना जाल्यार तांकां एंट्री एक्झिट पॉयंट्स तरी दवरना म्हणजे जेणे करून ते भायर वचून आपलें काम करून परत येवं शकता. हे एंट्री एक्झिट पॉयंट्स जर दिले जाल्यार ते हंगर स्ट्रायकाक वयचे ना जाल्यार ते मंडे हंगर स्ट्रायकाक वयपाचे आहा हे तेंच्यांनी सांगलेलें आसा. दुसरें म्हणजे सांगपाचें म्हटल्यार
रेस्ट ऑफ द प्लेस, रेस्ट ऑफ द एरिया
एक जुवारी नगर म्हणटा हिंगाय तेंचे डिमांड्स आहा की तांकां भायर काडपाचे. तांकां एश्युरन्स दिला की जे एंटीबॉडी टेस्टिंग आणि त्या भायर जे नेगेटिव्ह येतात तांकां भायर धाडटा म्हणून सांगला. आणि ते पूण तरी तेंचे डिमांड आहा की तांकां टोटली ओपन करपाक बिकॉज जे दे आर द लेबर्स जे डेली वेजीस कामाक वयपाचे मनीस आहात तशेंच जे खारीवाड आहा तेंचो डिमांड आहा की तांकां ओपन भायर सोडचे म्हणून. पूण हे खंय तरी विचार आणि विमर्श जो आहा तो स्टेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आणि गव्हर्नमेंट करतली. आणि आयज अशें आयकूंक येयला की ऑलरेडी कलेक्टरा कडेन मिटींग आतां सांजची चालू आहा म्हणून. दुसरें पळोवपाक गेल्यार कासावली PHC जी आहा तिगाय 3 केसीस गावल्ल्यो आसा म्हणून आयकूंक येतात. आणि तिसरे लोक म्हणटात की ते PHC आहा ती एक ओल्ड घरान चलयतात. सो ती खंय तरी व्हडल्या जे न्यू रिबिल्ड हॉस्पिटल आहा तितून शिफ्ट करची कित्याक की एक न्यू हॉस्पिटल बांदलेले आहा त्या शिफ्ट करची जेणे करून चडांत चड पेशंट थिंगा चॅक करूंक मेळचे बिकॉज रायट नाव इट इज अ स्मॉल होम. तिसरें म्हणटा तें सांगपाक गेल्यार जे हांगा जे कंटेनमेंट झोन्स आहात तांकां फूड सप्लाय आतां मातशें मेळपाक लागलेले आसात.
फूड मेळता, जेवण मेळता
जेणे करून आतां जेन्ना हो जो प्रेशर लोकांचो जेन्ना प्रेशर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाचेर पडपाक लागलो तेन्ना खंय तरी फूड सप्लाय पावपाक लागलेली आसा.
ओके. एंड व्हॉट अबाउट टेस्टिंग बेस्टिंग चलता बंद जाला कितें जाला? What is the status? Whether the cases are rising, cases are means flatlining, cases देंवता कितें? What is the scene?
वास्को रायट नाव वास्को और गोवा म्हटल्यार आतां जे केसीस आहा तेंच्यांनी डिव्हिजन केल्ले आहा बिकॉज पयलीं कशें आसलें आमकां एरिया वायज केसीस सांगताले. रायट नाव ते PHC वायज CHC वायज दाखयतात आणि ते बी हांगा लोकली आमकां कांय डिटेल दिनात. ते सांगतात की तुम्ही हायर अपचा विचारा या पेन्जिमसून विचारा. रायट नाव हांगा जशें की प्रायव्हेट हॉस्पिटल्स आहात एक गांवांत मारता की सगळेच केसी दाखयता अशेंय दिसून येना अशें लोकांचे म्हणणें आहा कित्याक की थोडे प्रायव्हेट हॉस्पिटलांनी वयतात त्यो दाखयना अशें म्हणून येतात. लोक म्हणटात की आमचे एरियेन केसीस जावना पूण हांगा म्हणटात ते केसीस जाल्या.
संदीप, मडगांव आतां केसीस आमकां थोडे 5 डेज जाले की वाडत आसतले. ऑल्सो द ESI हॉस्पिटल OSP सगळे मडगांव. सो कॅन यू गिव अस ओवरऑल सिच्युएशन कितें चलता ते मडगांव?
सध्या मडगांव ह्या दिसांनी केसी वाडीत आसा. सगळे कडेन वाडीत जशें करून आखे वाठार मागीर चिंचा खारेबांद कोम गांधी मार्केट न्यू मार्केट आनी सिनेलता तशेंच फातोर्डा केसीस मेळपाक लागल्या. आणि फाटल्या हांगा कितें जाता सर एक फाटल्या दिसांनी एक भिकारी मागिल्लो तो खारेबांदाक मागिल्लो सर आनी तोय पॉझिटिव्ह आशिल्लो. तशेंच ते खारेबांदाक तेकोन तो चिंचा म्हणून एरिया आसा पळय थंय सध्या चडूच केसीस मेळत आसा. थंय अरावंड 14 केसीस जाल्ले आसा सर. तेन्ना लोकांची मागणी आसा की जे भिकारी अशे भोंवतात तांचेर कितें कारवाय करची म्हणून. फाटली एक काँग्रेसीन प्रेस घेवन तांच्यांनी सांगिल्लें की भिकाऱ्यांक एक निवारा केंद्र करचे थंय तांकां दवरचें आनी तांकां आपल्या गांवांत धाडचें म्हणून. तशेंच सर केसी हितून हे वाड्यार आसा तशेंच आतां मडगांव म्युन्सिपालिटीनी पावल्या. कालूच म्युन्सिपालिटीन 3 जे ऑफिसर आसले स्टाफ आशिल्ले तांकां 3 पॉझिटिव्ह मेळिल्ले आसा. तशेंच हांगा मडगांव आमचे पुलीस स्टेशन आसा तर त्या पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर केसी पाविल्ले आसा. मडगांवचे अराउंड 8 पुलिसांक पॉझिटिव्ह मेळिल्ले आसा.
आणि क्लिंटन, व्हॉट अबाउट यू? वॉट इज हाव इज द कोविड मॅनेजमेंट तुमच्या सायडीन कोंगोटे कांदोली? बिकॉज टुरिझम बेल्ट ती आणि लोक आता टुरिझम चालू केला ॲटलिस्ट थिओरेटिकली. कितें व्हॉट इज द सिच्युएशन ऑन कोविड मॅनेजमेंट?
Yeah, with regards to the COVID, there were cases seen rising, especially in Kalangut and Kandale over the past 2 days. And I just got an input, like it's not confirmed as yet, like 45 minutes ago to 2 hours ago now, we just got an input that from my locality, a person has been taken for COVID test because she had those symptoms. That person was undergoing like cough, cold, little bit of fever, and also congestion. So she was taken for COVID test. However, the reports are still awaited. But at the moment, the person that she came into contact already went into like isolation. They already made themselves quarantined. Also, her family, that person's family members have gone in quarantine. But when it comes to COVID-19, there are lots of cases rising, especially in Kalangut or Kandaram. There are not very much, maybe 1 or 2, but also there were cases that was seen in Parra the other day. Like day before yesterday, there were 2 cases seen in Parra, but they are not like the severe COVID, but they are into isolation and undergoing medical treatment.
या थँक्स. श्याम, तू आता भितर आसा आणि तू मिटिंगाक आशिल्लो इन मांगूर विथ द डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान, आणि तेणी सांगला ते टेस्टिंग करून नेगेटिव्ह येवन कित्याक आमचे भितरले आतां कितें रिजल्ट्स आयल्या तुमचे, कितें डिसिजन जालां वेदर मांगूर इज गोइंग टू बी रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम कंटेनमेंट ऑर बडा मांगूर, छोटा मांगूर, कितें सम डिटेल्स दिवंक शकता तूं आमकां अबाउट मांगूर? श्याम,
सध्या टेस्टिंग काय चालू ना. पयलींचे जे जितके स्वॅब हे केल्ले टेस्टिंग केल्ले ते येयले, ते येवन चडशे नेगेटिव्ह, सगळे नेगेटिव्ह जाल्या. तितले 2च कितें हे आसले पॉझिटिव्ह, ते वचून परत येयले बी, सगळे येयले. सध्या सगळे नेगेटिव्ह. हांगा एकूय पेशंट असो ना मांगरान. तरी पूण अजून पयर स्टेफुला एका बसलो तेच हांगा कलेक्टराक वचोन बी सगळे हांगा मडगांव वचोन ताका आश्वासन दिल्लें 7 तारखेर आपूण तुमकां येवपाक वचपाक हे करता. म्हणजे कितें तें नांव बरोवपाचें, रजिस्टराचेर नांव बरोवपाचें, मागीर वयता आसतना भायर सायन मारपाची, परत येता आसतना मागीर तुवें सायन मारून परत भितर येवपाचें, अशें तेणें सांगलें. तेका अजून कांय करूंक ना. त्या साठी आमचो वास्कोचे MLA पेपरार दिला आपूण 8 तारखेर ओपन करता म्हणून. 8 पेपराचेर खंयच्या पेपराचेर दिला ताणें आपूण 8 तारखेर आपूण ओपन करता म्हणून. ते अजून
काय होती इन्फॉर्मेशन 8 तारखेर ओपन करपाचें? समीप, सॉरी सांग श्याम का श्याम
अजून 8 तारखेला परत त्याच्यात मनीस मनीस भोंवतात, ते सांगता 10 तारखेर ओपन जातले म्हणून. आणि इवन कालूसान एक माझ्या फ्रेंडाकूच फोन करून सांगला आपण 10 तारखेर ओपन करता म्हणून. ते अजून 10 तारखेर जातले काय ना ते काय खबर ना. आणि हेवटेन 10 तारखेर जायना तर सेफुला सगळ्या लोकांक घेवन हांगा स्ट्रायकाक बसपाचा. त्या दिसा मागीर कितें जातलें ते काय सगळें म्हणटा ते तेंचेर धुकलतले. कितें जालें बाबा वायट झगडी बिगडी जालें, हे कितें जालें सगळें मग तेंचेर धुकलतले. आणि भायर सरलेले सगळे म्हाका विचारता केन्ना ओपन जातले. आतां म्हाका काय ना, कालूसान सांगला 10 तारखेर ओपन जातले, 10 तारखेर ओपन जाता. ते सगळे ते सांगूंक भोंवता. सध्या ती परिस्थिती जाल्या. लोक अजून हे जाल्ले पण केन्ना थोड्यांक कामा वयल्यान अजून हे येयला, नोटीस येयला म्हणटा तो, पूण केन्ना तुमी जॉइन जाता, केन्ना तुमी जॉइन जाता. म्हणजे म्हणटा कंटेनमेंट ओपन जाल्यार आमकां जावना म्हणटा. जाता ते बेगीन आमकां सांगा कितें ते बेगीन हे करा म्हणजे तेणें सांगलेलें आतां इतकेंच.
या थँक्स श्याम. समीप, आता पणजे कितें आंकडे वाडत आसा आणि काल आल्तीन मेळ्ळें, दोनापावल मेळ्ळें, करंजाले मेळ्ळें, पुलीस बिफोर दॅट पुलीस स्टेशन मेळ्ळें. कॅन यू गिव अस सम डिटेल्स दी एक्झॅक्टली वॉट इज द सिच्युएशन इन पणजे, वेदर इट इज नॉर्मल, इट इज
आल्तीन आता कितें जाला सध्या सील केला.
लेट अस गो इनटू अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक. we were talking about the situation in Panjim. You have given us a slight detail. Now, could you give us some more details of the testing and all what's happening? You're saying testing is not happening in Panjim. मातशें सांगूंक शकता तूं कितें चलता तें पणजे?
टेस्टिंग म्हटल्यार ती समज एक एमर्जन्सी कॉल येयलो कोणाक समज सिम्पटम्स आयले जाल्यारूच एम्ब्युलन्स येता आनी तांकां टेस्टिंगे खातीर व्हरता. पूण
Okay.
प्रॉब्लम असो here in the market, around the market, there are buildings where these people staying, the laborers, the employees of some shops and all, they are staying, means there are 4 to 5 people in a single room.
हय ओके आनी
पूण तांकां क्वॉरंटायन करूंक आयसोलेशन करपाक थोडे प्रॉब्लेम जाता आनी भितर मागीर टेस्टिंग रिपोर्टानूय घुसपतान अशें आमकां आयकूंक येता.
आनी सिट्युएशन हें कितें वॉट इज द जनरल सिट्युएशन इन गोवा एंड इंडिया वॅक्सिना बद्दल कितें इन्फॉर्मेशन कितें आसा गुड न्यूज बॅड न्यूज?
In India, for the last 2 days, India is reporting more than 61,000 cases.
ओके
And the worst part is these COVID cases in single day are more compared to US and Brazil, which are first and second highest worst
Okay.
coronavirus hit countries. And
Okay.
India stands third.
ओके
But India in last 24 hours has tested 5.98 lakh samples, COVID samples.
ओके
So we have two good news here. Some good news coming in from science front that there are some vaccines which
Okay.
might roll out soon.
ओके
So in Russia, which claimed they are the first country in the world to launch the vaccine. They are going to register their first vaccine on August 21st. They are launching it on August 21st.
ओके
And the indigenous Indian vaccine, Covaxin, has finished its phase 1 trial and entered into phase 2 trial.
ओके
And Serum Institute of India, which is undergoing trials of Oxford University vaccines, has begun as phase 3 trials, and they price the vaccine at rupees 225 per dose.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now let's leave this COVID a little behind. Clinton, what is happening? There was an issue about roads, and then there were parties happening in Arpora. Could you give us a lowdown? Because the police are not. There's been allegation that police are not taking action. No arrests have been made. Even there were like fights and injured, and they basically curfew was broken when there were huge parties going on. What do you feel? What is happening? What are the people talking on your side?
Well, basically, in the last weekend, the Saturday, Sunday, there was a high-profile party that I will say in a private bungalow, wherein there was a chaos which started outside the bungalow, which entered later into the bungalow, and then afterwards there was some high-profile rich sons and kids involved in this. However, there were cops. Later, when there was a brawl between two groups, between locals and the rich, which later affected and created a big issue, especially in that locality. However, there was no one to speak on it. I really, on personal note, I don't know why people are afraid to speak on it, because even the cops were not ready to speak on it. Because when we tried to contact the cops, also the one was ready to speak on it. They were like, it was just a misunderstanding, and then they just shut that matter off. That was one of the instances. But to my knowledge and to the resources that we get information is that there are lots of private parties that are happening, and people are violating Section 144.
Now, okay, parties. Now, is it possible? What do you feel? Or any of you? This is open to everybody. Is it possible that there are private parties with so many people and people coming from all over the world without the cops knowing about it? And how is it that in case the cops find out, even afterwards, due to some incident, why is it that there are no cases filed? Anybody have an opinion on it? Starting with you, Clinton, first.
But first of all, government has implemented a night curfew.
Not yet over 10th, no?
Yeah, it's not yet over. But when you actually see it, when you go out at after 8 o'clock, you'll see no cops are on the ground
Mm. Okay.
to control the crowd. But in actually there are, if you go outside at 8 o'clock to बाहेर गर्दी असता रस्त्यार आणि पोलिसाची जीप चुकून केन्ना पेट्रोलिंग करता आणि चडशी शॉपां नो जायसर बसून उक्ती असता.
Yeah, I
Okay.
think on that note,
Clinton?
I would like to add on more. With
Yes,
regards,
please.
as our colleague mentioned, Samit mentioned with regards to the patrolling also. I will also mention that there are lots of during the normal lockdown that was announced for the last 2 months that we were under lockdown. There were like certain places which were identified where the cops will be standing. But now, when the extra, when the recent another section 144 and the night curfew was announced in Goa, at the prominent places there were hardly any cops. A is that, B is that I will completely agree to my colleague Samit, wherein he actually stated that there are no patrolling. Yes, I will agree there is no patrolling at major cities, major towns, major villages, major streets. Okay, and C is that is why people, the youngsters especially, and lots of locals have taken advantage. They're like, that cop is known to me. Oh, the cops are not here. We can take the behind road. Okay, the cops will be on this junction. We will take the backyard road and go. So I do not blame anyone, but the thing is that there are lots of people who are frustrated to sit at home as well, and they feel that if I go out, I will do something cool, but they do not think that it is harming everyone. That is one point. That is one point of view. Sorry. The second point of view is that there are lots of private parties happening. Maybe some are commercial, some are non-commercial, some are just private in their flats or in their bungalows, in their village, in their homes. So they feel what? You're my friend. I know you don't have COVID, so you can come over to my place. That is your friend. He will say, okay, he's my friend. He doesn't have any COVID. He doesn't have any COVID. And he was at home. He doesn't go anywhere. But they do not understand the depth and the what do you call it? They do not understand the fear of COVID because they have not felt it. I feel so. People have not taken COVID that seriously because they are like, you're my friend. I know you have spent time with me for last 1 month, 2 months, 1 week, 2 weeks. We are spending time together. We are hanging out together. You don't have any symptoms. So people are not taking it seriously. Just because you roam with someone, it doesn't mean they will not get affected to COVID. That's why people should take it people should take it very serious that COVID will not look at you. Who are you? Whose friend are you? COVID is like you can get it anytime. I feel that this is my point of view. If I'm talking wrong, please correct me. But I feel that people still, especially the youngsters, are not serious when it comes to COVID, fighting COVID in Goa.
Thanks, Clinton. Yeah, that's a valid point because what happens is we see that ultimately any thing like this, the cops can enforce the rules, which
Exactly.
night curfew and 140 is
Yes.
not happening. But each one also has to take care of their own this. However,
Yes.
we have seen, if we see generally around, that our own people following the rules is a rarity. Nobody follows the rules, be it traffic rules, be it helmets, be it
Yes.
going wrong side, not rules. So if the government feels that the people are going to follow the rules on their own and without enforcement, I think that is it's not going to be possible. Margaon, Sandeep, तुमच्या side in people are also roaming around in the night, parties are going on. तू जाणा किती any news?
सेम ते सांगलं तसंच रस्त्यावर काय पोलीस नसतं, लोक बिंदास भोवत असतात. तसेच एक तुम्हाला पार्टीचा विषय येलो सर, अशीच एक पार्टी आता चिंचळ वाड्यात ते कोविड वाढल्या म्हणतात, ते वाड्यात अशीच एक घरान काही त्यांच्यानी फॅमिली पार्टी केली आणि तसे ते वाड्यावयले बी सगळे थंय पार्टी आशिल्ले, बर्थडे पार्टी सेलिब्रेट केल्ली. त्याच्या खातीर ते आणि जो बर्थडे बॉय आशिल्लो तोच कोविड पॉझिटिव्ह आशिल्लो. त्याच्या खातीर थंय आणि सगळ्यांक ते आता वाड्यावयले लोक तसेच म्हणटा की त्यांच्यानी आपल्या बर्थडे वांगडा आमकां कोविडूय खावयलो म्हणून. पण लोकांक अजूनही तितले सिरियस, थोडे लोकांक अजून तितले सिरियस घेना कोविडाचेर.
One of my friend is COVID positive, and people look at them in such a way, that they are kind of some virus in the society. Like because of you, the virus have come. So people have been attacking not the virus. People have been attacking the patient who has been tested positive. I think that mindset has to be changed, especially in Goa.
Correct. I agree with you.
Yes.
It's the disease that has to be fought and not the
Yes.
person who's been
People are
who's
not
sick.
fighting the disease. People are fighting with the patient, which is completely wrong, I feel, because COVID is not. It will look. I will repeat myself. People, COVID is not where it will look at your caste, religion, color, who you are, how much wealth you have. It's like what you. It will just get infected. So I don't know why people are taking COVID in a point of view where
Yeah.
yes, I
Okay,
can go
yeah.
on. But I
Fair
don't
enough,
want to
Clint. But
discuss.
okay, I understand this is one scenario which we have seen everywhere, all over Goa. The other scenario is people are still coming out, they're still roaming
Yes.
around, they're still partying. The government is not enforcing its curfew. Why have a curfew? Open it up. Let everything
Exactly.
happen. No, why unnecessarily try to, I don't know, show everybody that no, we are having 144, we are doing curfew. If you don't want to enforce it, it's a waste of time. Then you can't selectively use 144. You can't
Correct.
selectively throw some activists inside because he's 144. You cannot leave parties open. So why have it? Leave it open. No, the best thing. Whoever wants to get COVID will get. Whoever doesn't want to, I don't know. This is of course my opinion. Another
Yeah.
thing also, we also need to discuss one point I wanted to bring up before we close, Sandeep, about that fish thing in fish market, wholesale fish market in Margao. ते कितें ते भानगड? Why is that the wholesalers want 5,000 square meters for themselves? The government cannot handle the fish market. What is the scene?
हांगा थंय कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आसा कलेक्शन करपाक एचजीपीडीन जो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर अपॉइंट केला मिलाग्रिस फर्नांडीस आणि जो इब्राहिम मुल्ला आसा तांच्या भितून ते काय क्लॅश आसा सर. तो तांचे जे म्हणणें कितें आसा, जो मिलाग्रिस म्हणून आसा तो लाखांनी कलेक्शन करता आणि तो एचजीपीडीक फक्त म्हयन्याक 3 लाख फारीक करता म्हणून तांच्यांनी सर एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवन मुल्ला म्हणून तांणी प्रपोजल धाडिल्लें की एका एचजीपीडीक जे मार्केट आसा पळय ते 5,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर जागा आमच्या कडेन जे सगळे मेंटेनन्स आमी पळयता आणि तुमकां मंथली 5 lakhs आमी पे करता म्हणून.
But why 5 lakhs? Why they're giving 5 lakhs? I'm sure there'll be people who will give 6 lakhs. It's not their job. No? Their job is to maintain, to follow the rules and to maintain the fish, to see that there is no COVID. Why, how are they asking for 5 lakhs? Anyway, this is my opinion of fish.
हॅलो तो
Lot of
कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर
fish, it's very funny, Sandeep. Anyway, continue. सांगा किती म्हणतात ते? माहित नाही.
कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आसा पळय तो हाजेर खूप पयशे कलेक्ट करता म्हणटा. तो दिसाक 70-80 हजार कलेक्शन करता म्हणटा, केन्ना केन्ना लाख करता आणि फक्त तो एसजीपीडीक फक्त म्हयन्याक 3 लाख फारीक करता अशें तागेलें म्हणणें आसा. प्लस तो कितें म्हणटा सर, तुम्ही जे मंथली चार्जेस लायला, डेली चार्जेस लायला, एंट्री फी 500 पर आवर, ते तुम्ही मातशें लेस करचे म्हणटात. तेज्या खातीर आमकां त्रास जाता, कितें 2 वरां गाडी उरली जाल्यार 2,000 जाता आनी अशें करून कलेक्शन खूप वाडटा म्हणटा. म्हणून तेजें म्हणणें कितें आसा, कलेक्शन चड जाता आनी हो फक्त एचजीपीडीक 3 लाख दिता. ताच्या खातीर तेणें प्रपोजल दिला की आपण 5 लाख दिता म्हणून.
I find it very funny when somebody who is selling fish in tons doesn't want to pay 500 per truck. Do you all know what is the rate of kingfish in the market? Per kilo?
Nowadays
It's from
1,200
750 to 1,200. मरे?
now.
So एक half
Yeah.
kilo kingfish दिवंक शकना for one truck? हे कितें नाका आहलें मरे. प्लस गव्हर्मेंट आमचे पयशांतले सबसिडी वयता थ्रू द ट्रॉलर्स आनी नुस्तें वयता भायर. आमी आमकां नुस्तें खावपाक जायना.
एक वरा खातीर ते 500 रुपया चार्ज करता. तो कितें म्हणटा, आमचो सेल जाता म्हटल्यार 2 वर जाता म्हणटा. सेल जाता मागीर ते गाडयेन आमी परतून ते एम्प्टी बॉक्स करता आनी कितें अशें म्हटल्यार ते 2 ते 3 वरां वयता. 3 वरां म्हटल्यार तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर मातसो आयकना म्हणटा. आतां सेल जाला, आमी गाडी एम्प्टी क्रेट्स भितून भरता. तेज्या खातीर तो डायरेक्ट म्हणटा कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर लायले 1,500 लायता.
सो द प्रॉब्लम इज आता नुस्तें म्हणल्यार रेस्टॉरंट बी बंद आसा. सध्या कितें जाला, हांचो असो एक सेल जायना म्हणून अशें खूब जाण म्हणटात. एंड
जायना म्हणटा समीप?
हय, सेल जायना म्हणटात.
नुस्तें केन्ना लास्ट जालें तुवें किंगफिश?
हय.
एंड वॉट इज द रेट? सेल जायना जाल्यार कमी करपाचें न्हू रेटी. 200-300 किलो कित्याक हें करना?
मागीर म्हणून लागला आमी तेन्नाच पासून एकदां अशें होलसेल फिश हितून गेलो डेपोटान. ते म्हणून लागले 800 रुपया किलोचो चोणाक आमी 500 रुपया किलो विकता म्हणटा. पूण आतां प्रॉब्लम अशें आहा, आमच्या गोंयांत थोडे लोक फिश सिजन स्टार्ट जावपाक रावल्या. ते म्हणटात कितें फिश भायले येतात, थोडे भायल्या स्टेटींतल्यान येतात, पूण इतके हे नासता. दे आर नॉट फ्रेश. दे आर बेसिकली वेटिंग फॉर द फ्रेश फिश फ्रॉम द गोवन वॉटर्स. तर आमच्या गोंयच्या
I-
जे आमचे नुस्तेकार असतात त्या पावसाक लागून मातशे रावल्यात.
Okay.
And they are saying
Clinton?
the Goan fish are much cheaper and fresh than what the fish is coming from the other states.
What do you think,
I-
Clinton?
I think I will comment on that because I'm more of fish eater and meat eater.
Okay.
Based on that, I would comment because I eat fish every day. So I have gone personally. I go to buy fish every alternate day. So based on that, I would like to brief my point of view, wherein the fish rates are not. It is, I will say, it's expensive because the per kilo of chanak where I go to personally buy is just 450 to 500 rupees. So I get a whole fish, say about say 300,000 per fish to even a kingfish which has gone up to like 1,500. I do not feel that that the fish rates in Goa has gone very extremely high. And neither they have gone extremely low. They are on a mid scale. They are little high. I'm not saying it is very high or very low. They are quite, because at the moment, no. Basically, at the moment, people in Goa, there are hundreds of them who have lost their job. I have seen my own personal friends who have lost their job, who have come back to Goa, especially in the south and the north as well, who have come back to Goa from the Gulf or from the UK or from the US and have started up with this business of selling fish or meat or poultry in their vans, in their vehicles on the streets. And basically, and I have bought stuff from them, and so I have actually seen the prices where they are trying to survive. So in today's scenario, people are trying to survive at the best rates that they can give out to the people what they can, and they have already seen the market. So I am not saying that the fish is very expensive, the meat is very expensive, or it's very low, or it's like too expensive. I will say it's mid, because the prawns,
Whatever.
the bangdes, the pomfret, the bangdes I saw the other day in a commercial supermarket. It was about 400, and outside it was 350 rupees a kilo. So
Which
that's a
is,
50 rupees.
don't you think it's too much? From
It is too
150 to 450?
Yes, it is too much. It is too much.
It is
But
one,
depends on-
one truck. Bade of one truck. One,
Yes,
then my point is that no, it's
Yes.
one kilo,
And the
the
fish
6,
which
7
come from
bangladesh
the
is
truck
enough
are
for one
not
truck,
of
man,
fresh.
fees.
Yeah.
To mention you. To
Yeah,
mention you,
but
that the fish which is coming from the other states in trucks are not fresh.
Pillow.
One at a time.
I think even pillow comes from outside the state. We do not get pillow in Goa. Pillow is
Huh?
shark.
What?
Pillow.
Trawlers are there. So many thousands of
Yeah,
trawlers are
trawlers
there.
are
They
there.
bring.
But yeah, but we still get certain kind of fish which comes from outside. So based on that, so Samip can take over.
But the problem is here in Goa, no, the fishermen are facing the problem to venture into the deep sea. First of all, is the heavy rains. Fishing season has started from first, but they are unable to launch their boats in the sea because of the rains and gusty storms
Correct.
and storm-like winds.
Hmm.
And second problem is what most of the laborers has gone in other states during the lockdown. So they are
Okay.
most of them are local fishermen are facing the labor problem because in areas like Betim, Kalangut, Shapara, the laborers are from Karnataka. The most of the laborers are from Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand. So in order to bring them back, they don't know the procedures. What procedures they want to go through. So they are little bit confused and they are also scared to bring them in.
Okay. Yeah. Anyway, thanks guys. From COVID, we went to fish, but ultimately for Goans, both are as important in this present time.
Yes,
Thank
very
you.
much.
And keep
Yes,
watching
thank you.
Goa 365.